Let's learn how to change X or Twitter username on your profile. So you may want to do this because you want to change the thematic of your profile. Rebranding account, just found about some cooler name or whatever, is the reason for this need. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how can you do that. So without wasting your time anymore, let us begin by opening your X or Twitter app. Note that this works on both iOS and Android devices. So method is the same. When you open Twitter, you will have to go to your profile menu. To do that, just tap on your profile picture in top left corner of your screen. This will open you a side menu with bunch of stuff. To change the username, you will have to go to Settings. So find this Settings and Support, tap it now, it will expand and show you the list of more options. You will go to first one, which is Settings and Privacy option with gear icon near it. After you done that, you will be redirected to Settings and Privacy page with hella lot stuff, though we are only interested in this first section, which is your account. So hit that to go there. Now this will lead you to Account Informations and Data tab. When it loads, you will see 4 options here, but you will go just to the first one that says Account Information. This will open brand new account screen with the Your Account Information stuff, username, phone, mail, country, etc. To change the username, tap on this first username option, and it will again redirect you to another tab, which is Update Username. At first, you will see your current username that you are using, but under this new bold text, you will see username and a box type block. There you are going to type new username. When you done that, near the new username will appear check mark. That will say is your username valid or not. So if it's a green, you can use it as new. But if it's red, you should try to change the username to some that's available. After you get the green check mark, just hit the done button in top right corner of your screen and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in next video.